This is a recording of an article on Wikipedia on the topic Bank Myna. The recording, by user Ashlyn, is part of the collection of spoken articles on Wikipedia. The material recorded is current as of the 12th of March 2009 revision of the article. Bank Myna from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia at en.wikipedia.org. Bank myna or Acridotheres ginginianus is a myna or starling occurring in South Asia from Sindh, Pakistan to Bangladesh. It is similar in coloration and shares its range with the common myna, but is slightly smaller. Contents. There are 8 sections in the contents. The following is a listing of these sections. Section 1. Distribution. Section 2. Local names. Section 3. Habitat. Section 4. Description. Section 5. Food. Section 6. Nesting. Section 7. Gallery. Section 8. References. The article is accompanied by an information box which provides additional information for the reader. The following is a listing of the contents of this info box. At the top is an image titled "A Bank Myna Beside the Ganga at Bithur." This is followed by the conservation status, least concern. Scientific classification. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Aves. Order Passeriformis. Family Sternidae. Genus Acridotheres. Species A. ginginianus. At the end of the box is the binomial nomenclature for this bird, which is Acridotheres ginginianus by Latham in 1790. Section 1. Distribution. The bank myna is found in Sindh, Pakistan on the west, covers the greater part of northern India east to Bangladesh, and southwards generally to latitudes of Mumbai, Maharashtra, that is 19 degrees north, and Balasore, Orissa, that is 21 degrees north. The bank myna is absent from the drier regions in Rajasthan. It has a patchy distribution but is most common in major river valleys. Mostly resident, the bank myna shows regular seasonal local movements in some areas. Individual stragglers have been documented from as far as Kandahar, Afghanistan and Chennai, India. The record from Chennai may have been an escaped cage bird. Section 2. Local names. The local names for the bank myna are Ganga myna in language Hindi, Gong Shalik in the Bengali language, Barad myna in the area of Bihar, Bardi myna in Nepal, Lali in Sindh, and Darila myna in the area of Uttar Pradesh. Section 3. Habitat. The bank myna is found amongst rocks, in open country, and around human habitations, often near tea stalls and markets. Railway stations are particularly favored. Commonly found in riverside habitats, the Hindi and Bengali names of the bird refer to this aspect. Section 4. Description. A stocky bluish-grey myna with a deep orange bill and eye patches, notably smaller and greyer than the common myna. 3 differences are listed from the common myna. Difference 1. Overall color. The coloration is pale bluish grey instead of brown. Also, The black crown has a sharp boundary in the bank myna as opposed to a gradation in the case of common myna. Difference 2. Color around the eyes. The naked skin around the eyes is brick red in the case of the bank myna instead of yellow as in the case of the common myna. Difference 3. Color of wing and tail feathers. The wing patch and tips of the tail feathers are pinkish buff in the case of the bank myna instead of white as in the case of the common myna. Sexes of the bank myna are alike. The juveniles are paler and browner. Bank mynas are gregarious and can be found in flocks even during the breeding season. These birds are usually very tame and confident. Often seen on railway stations, sauntering along platforms, in and out of the feet and baggage of passengers, picking up bits of food, they have been noticed in markets such as Old Delhi, surreptitiously hopping onto vendors' handcarts to steal scraps. Bank mynas also haunt municipal refuse dumps for scraps and tidbits, and sometimes attend on grazing cattle for ticks or insects. The voice of the bank myna is somewhat softer than that of the common myna. This section is accompanied by an image titled Close-up of a bank myna from the back. Section 5. Food. Bank mynas eat fruit, grain and insects. They can be very destructive to ripening crops of sorghum or jawar. On the other hand, stomach contents of bank mynas in Bihar have recorded, among other things, the larvae of the moth Ophusa melicerte, which is highly injurious to castor. This section is accompanied by an image titled A Bank Myna Drinking Water from Running Water on a River Bank. Section 6. Nesting. Bank mynas have a nesting season from April to August, with most birds nesting from May to June. The nest is a pad of grass and rubbish stuffed in the widened chamber at the end of a horizontal earth tunnel. These tunnels may be drilled in steep earth banks of rivers, sides of disused brick kilns, earthen wells, or even in masonry. The nests have been known to include bits of sloughed off snakeskin. Bank mynas often breed in colonies along with the common myna. Records of 50 or more pairs in a single colony are known. The bank myna usually lays 3 to 5 eggs in a clutch.
These eggs are a glossy pale blue.
Section 7. Gallery.
Images of bank mynas taken at Hodal, Faridabad district, Haryana, India.
This gallery has 4 images, each without a caption. Section 8. References.
There are references available in the written form of this article. Please be sure to verify information found on Wikipedia using the references provided or by cross-referencing the information yourself.
Additionally, there is a link to Wikimedia Commons, which has media related to
Acridotheres ginginianus.
This sound file and all text in the article are licensed under the GNU Free Documentation License available at www.gnu.org/copyleft/fdl.html.